A is an ester which reacts with excess of methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis to form alcohol B. This alcohol reacts rapidly with Lucas reagent. Then A and B respectively are they're asking us to find out what is the ester and what is the alcohol obtained there. So now coming to this question, first let us see what happens when an ester reacts with Grignard's reagent. When an ester reacts with Grignard's reagent, 1 mole of Grignard's reagent. First let us write the equation. R C double bond O R. This is ester. When ester reacts with 1 mole of Grignard's reagent, what is the shortcut we have to learn here? Replace OR of ester by R dash of Grignard's reagent. So what will I get here? I will get a ketone. So when ester is treated with 1 mole of Grignard's reagent, I will get ketone. But in this given question, excess of Grignard's reagent is taken. So the formed ketone again reacts with Grignard's reagent. When ketone reacts with Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis, what will we get? Tertiary alcohols will get. Now let us see the shortcut for this. Remove double bond, put H here and R of Grignard's reagent here. Put H here and R of Grignard's reagent here. So what will I get? R C OH R dash R dash. This is a tertiary alcohol. Means we are getting a tertiary alcohol here. So now let us go back to the question here. So an ester which reacts with excess of Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis should give a tertiary alcohol. Now coming back to the options here. There are 2 ways in which we can find the answer. First find out alcohol there. First I will teach you find out alcohol. Which alcohol is tertiary alcohol? That should be your answer. So now how to find out tertiary alcohol, primary alcohol and secondary alcohol if structures are not given. If it is the condensed formula. If hydrogen, if the carbon to which the OH is attached is having 2 hydrogens, then it is primary alcohol. If the carbon to which the OH is attached is having only 1 hydrogen, then it is secondary alcohol. If the carbon to which the OH group is attached is not having any hydrogens, then it is tertiary alcohol. So again I am repeating, the carbon to which the OH is attached, if it is having 2 hydrogens, then it is primary. If it is having only 1 hydrogen, then it is secondary. If it is having no hydrogens, then it is tertiary. So now let us go back to the equation and find out among the options which is tertiary alcohol. Again I am repeating, ester is treated with excess of Grignard's reagent. Followed by hydrolysis means directly we will get a tertiary alcohol. So if you see this option, there is 1 hydrogen, so it is secondary alcohol. This option also there is 1 hydrogen, secondary alcohol. This option and this option, there is no hydrogen, so these two are tertiary alcohols. So option A is ruled out, option C is also ruled out. Why option A and C are ruled out? Because the alcohols, final alcohols obtained here are not tertiary alcohols. Coming to option B and C, B and D. In option D, formaldehyde is reacting. The original compound A they are showing, the original compound A they are showing is formic ester, not formaldehyde. I am again repeating, the original compound they are showing is formic ester. So formic ester when reacts with Grignard's reagent, formic ester when reacts with Grignard's reagent, what shortcut we learned? Remove OR and put R dash of Grignard's reagent. So what will I get? HC double bond O R dash, means it is aldehyde. Aldehyde reacts with excess of Grignard's reagent is there, no? Aldehyde again reacts with Grignard's reagent. So what will I get? I will get a secondary alcohol there. I'll get a secondary alcohol. How do you know that this is secondary alcohol? The carbon to which the OH is bonded is in turn linked to only 1 hydrogen. So it is a secondary alcohol. So this option is also ruled out. Again I am repeating, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard's reagent to form primary alcohol. Any other aldehyde reacts with Grignard's reagent to form secondary alcohol. Ketones react with Grignard reagent to form tertiary alcohol. But the starting compound which we are taking is an ester. If that ester is a formic ester reacts with 1 mole of Grignard reagent to form aldehyde. Aldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent to form secondary alcohol. But here what we have to get? Tertiary alcohol we have to get. So option D is also ruled out because the ester given here is a formic ester. So your answer is option B. Option B is your answer because our ester is not formic ester and the alcohol formed is a tertiary alcohol. So your answer should be option